Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Urban UR74120L motorcycle security kit, and before you make a choice on protecting your bike, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research and I'll share everything you need to know, plus there's a link to the best price in the description below. So in this video we're covering the Urban UR74120L's dual security system, evaluating its price point, real-world performance, and various usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The Urban UR74120L stands out immediately, with its innovative dual-function design that essentially gives you two security products in one package. This isn't just another chain lock, it's a complete security solution featuring a 13.5 mm diameter steel chain that's 120 centimeters long, paired with the UR75 Mini U-Lock sporting an impressive 18 mm shackle diameter. For motorcycle owners, enthusiasts, and anyone serious about bike security, this combination offers exceptional versatility that most single-purpose locks simply can't match. What makes this security kit truly remarkable is the Mini U-Lock's CK Plus disc tech system with its innovative double locking mechanism. This means you're getting protection at both ends of the chain, creating multiple deterrent points for potential thieves. The 18 mm diameter shackle on the UR75 is substantially thicker than standard disc locks, providing outstanding cut resistance that's been thoroughly tested against common theft tools. The chain itself deserves special attention. Those 13.5 mm steel links aren't just thick, they're engineered specifically for security applications. At 120 centimeters in length with a loop system, you have impressive flexibility in how you secure your motorcycle. Whether you're locking to a ground anchor, threading through both wheels, or securing to a fixed object, the length provides excellent versatility. Additionally, Urban offers this same system in 100 centimeters and 150 centimeters variants for those needing different configurations. Moreover, the versatility extends beyond just motorcycles. This heavy-duty security set works exceptionally well with garage setups when combined with a security anchor like the Urban Security UR55. You can use it for outdoor bicycle security, securing generators, or protecting any valuable equipment that needs serious protection. The dual-function design means you can separate the components, use the chain for one application, and the U-Lock as a disc lock when needed. Furthermore, this isn't just marketing hype about security. The UR74120L carries genuine credentials. It's achieved a security rating of 19 out of 20, which is exceptional in the motorcycle security world. More importantly, it's SRA approved, meaning it's been independently tested against real-world attack methods, including power saws, bolt cutters, and hammer attacks. The fact that it's manufactured in Europe by Urban Security also ensures consistent quality control and material standards. The construction quality is immediately apparent when you handle this kit. The chain links are uniformly shaped with no weak points, and the protective sleeve prevents damage to your motorcycle's paint while adding weather resistance. The U-Lock mechanism operates smoothly even after extended outdoor exposure, and the included keys are robust with unique coating for added security. However, one notable downside some users may find is the combined weight of this security system. At approximately 8.5 pounds for the complete kit, it's definitely on the heavier side compared to standard chain locks. While this weight contributes to its security level, it might be cumbersome for riders who need to carry it regularly on longer trips or for daily commuting. You got it. So that's it for the best motorcycle security solution on the market for this year. Like this video, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews.